Eras Vital, heilende Kraft der Natur.
How to make tea from crushed pieces of chaga mushroom in the traditional way. You will need 2 tablespoons of birch chaga mushroom, 1 liter of water, a kettle, a vessel with a candle stand, 2 candles, a lighter or matches, a tablespoon. Let's start. Pour 2 teaspoons of chopped chaga mushroom into a vessel sieve. Boil the water in a kettle, let it cool down to 80 degrees. Pour the crushed mushroom through a sieve, close the kettle and put it over the candles. Candles are needed for constant heating of water so that the chaga mushroom releases active components into the water. Crushed chaga is infused for 1 hour. In the process of languishing, the color of the water changes and darkens. Crushed mushroom can be infused until the chaga ceases to emit color. If the water doesn't darken, then all the active components of the mushroom are completely extracted. If you want to infuse the crushed mushroom again, place the crushed chaga in a glass of cold water and put it in the refrigerator. The storage time of chaga shouldn't exceed 3 days. Find more information about the chaga mushroom in the ebook, link in the video description.